Thanks to Ready program, I realized that it's important to validate the market and to find people who are willing to pay for the product.
Ready showed me what everything you need to start a company. You need a financial plan, you need a business plan, you need regulation or legislative stuff to fulfill.
So what surprised me most about Ready was the discovery that I don't need to have perfect product, perfect functioning platform, but it's about the connection with potential clients and potential investors.
Actually, during the Ready, I was on paternity leave, so I missed a few of them, which I really regret, because the rest of was really great. What I think I found out, we tend to overcomplicate things, like how we present our technology, how we think about our technology, like the thing that I need to change in my mind and really rather simplify things than make it more complex and more comprehensive.
What surprised me at Ready that it was only business focused, and that's something we don't get a lot here, and I really appreciate it because I always dealt with the technology from the technology side and not from the business side.
Ready was the program when a lot of people came with nice idea, but those people from the program, they keep asking you, why are you doing that? What problem are you solving? Who is actually willing to pay for that? And they keep asking until you have convincing answer.
For me, it was most important to validate the market. So Ready pushed me to go to customers, to users that told us what they really need, if our technology solves the problem or not.
Imagine the plumber with this kind of case. So it's exactly this suitcase that you can pick fundamental tools to build your business.
Ready was a transfer, a portal into a different field I didn't know before, like the business world, the startup world.
So that was a game changer. Yeah.
If I would go again, I would like to go the full course and see everything.
Definitely sign up for Ready because it was the best hands-on experience I had here at CTU.